So starting the test drive in this Enclave here, I really like how these drive. I've always liked them since they came out. I should say this body style in terms of just having the 9-speed with the V6 is a very smooth, comfortable ride, relatively quiet under throttle, but has some get up and go to it. But a very easy to drive vehicle for it to be a 3-row SUV. It doesn't feel like it's overly large. It's just a solid vehicle if you need something with more space, but you know, you're used to driving your Buick LaCrosse or something like that. Now I'm gonna give it a little throttle getting on the interstate here. Here we go. So got up to speed pretty nicely, excuse me. Very impressed by that. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this vehicle today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But you have standard cruise control here. I love having the lane departure because it does kind of ping you in if you start to get out of the lines, which is nice. Not overly intrusive, but you can just feel it slightly guide you back in. It's not aggressive where it just kind of like almost drives you into another lane because it hits so hard. But ride quality is still fantastic here. Sound acoustics in here are really good. This dump truck next to me is so loud. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, this is only $21,000. It has 75,000 miles on it, but this includes a lifetime powertrain warranty from Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro. So this vehicle in particular will come with that warranty, and as long as you keep up with the maintenance, engine, transmission, transaxles, any issues with those will be covered by the warranty, which is always nice to have on something like this. Specifically, if you're worried about issues that may come down the road that these are notorious for. But like with most vehicles, I feel like so many giant issues come to vehicles because they're not maintained properly. And then people want to say the transmissions are this, blah, blah, blah. I mean, everything's not built like a Toyota where you can just neglect it and it'll just keep going. But I think for the money here, I mean, you get something, again, that has a lifetime powertrain warranty on this one in particular. You get heated, cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, dual pane sunroof, heated steering wheel, and then even having the blind spot monitors and the Bose sound system. It's very nicely spec'd out here. And I also prefer this dark galvanized leather over the just a straight black. Now with the cooled seats, that's not going to be as big of an issue with a black interior, but you know, in the summers, especially if you leave the sunshade up, it's going to get hot. But it's a nice clean look. But I like the dark galvanized because it's kind of a two-tone look. So you have the black dash there, and then you have the gray right in front of you, and you know, the accents complement each other. But I haven't had any issues out of this one for the mileage, which is good. Everything seems to be in good working shape. The seats have held up pretty nicely. Specifically the leather, the cracking is minimal for this to be an almost 10-year-old vehicle. And I just think it has a lot of life left in it, and they're just nice vehicles overall. They're subtle but very luxurious, and that's one of the reasons that they've done so well for Buick over the past decade or so. But all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2018 Buick Enclave in the premium trim level.